Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen, and for today's video I'm gonna show you how to create this look. And yeah, so I apologize for the background music. I'm listening to Lofi, but yeah. Okay guys, so I hope you're gonna like this look, and I don't even know what to call this look yet, but I tried to make it like as sun-kissed as possible. I don't know guys, I like it. What do you guys think about it? Please hit like and subscribe to my channel. I feel like it's too early to say that, but yeah, please hit like, and thank you so much. Enjoy watching. That's under my eye, and this is how I apply my under eye concealer. I will start with this area right here, and then just kind of work my way up until my eye pillow. Face looks so white right now, but don't worry guys, because it's gonna evaporate, is that what you call it? But yeah, it's gonna do that later. So next step is contouring. So I'm gonna use this powder right here. This is the POWWOW powder from POWWOW.
The start of something different after something else would end. This is a brand new story, or maybe one that's super old.
Hey guys, so talking about, I just really wanted to thank everyone who went to my meet and greet. You guys are just so sweet and so cooperative and thoughtful, and all the efforts are so appreciated. Now after that, I'm just gonna contour my nose, and this is just how I contour my nose, and this is what I'm gonna use to contour it. Okay guys, so after that I'm just gonna do my eyebrow. I use this one. This is from BEAUTE Makeup Cosmetics, and this is in the shade, what shade is this though? Dark Auburn. And just, this is how I do my eyebrows, you guys. So yeah. After that, it looks so funny, but yeah, after that I'm just, okay, found it. So I'm just gonna use this brush. This is also from BEAUTE, and I'm just gonna brush it just like apply it on the outer corners of my eye. Whoa, this color is so intense. I love it. Also guys, I am originally gonna film a skincare routine, but just so happened I have this huge pimples on my forehead because it is the time of the month, and yeah, so I just decided to film a makeup video. And my nose is really runny. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this right there. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use this one. This is from the brand called APIEU, and this is this is their color lipstain in the shade Toffee Nut. We're almost done. I'm just gonna do my hair and then I'll come back. So that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys like it. And also if ever you guys will try out this look, please tag me on Instagram. I definitely see everything and everyone is just so talented. So thank you guys so much and I'll see you next time.